Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video today is a second part of the trade docker. I just learned about this the other day myself and I made my first video on it. And I was kind of playing around with it. It's pretty cool. And let's say this is your work page of your laser bed. Mine is a 40 by 28. And you want to bring in this file right here. It's of a clock back that I do all the time. So you go right up here and it imports it, and you can put it wherever you want. And that would be okay if it was just this boat that you wanted to import, and then you'd put that boat anywhere you wanted it. But if it's something that I cut out all the time in my laser bed, you can go right to here. I don't know why it's not showing me this, but right to here, import at original position. And it put it in my laser bed. I've got an indexing line. I use 12-inch MDF, and these are 11-inch circles, so it will cut them out correctly in my laser. That is pretty cool. And you can import it from the link. You could open it from the original. This is like the original bed. You see everything else has gone away. So if you wanted to open it up, you wouldn't have to move these around. They would cut out on your 12-inch piece of wood. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.